Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I am Emre Ata. Today I want to show you how to buy on Binance SXT token, Space and Time. Firstly, we should create account on Binance with referral code for you will get discount, kickback. This is exchange referral codes.com. On this website, you should get information about exchange, cryptocurrency technology, blockchain technology, Bitcoin, and altcoins. So, how to create account on Binance Global? Click this button or in this video info section, create account on Binance link. Clicked. Yes, on this page, you should add your email or mobile phone number, or Google account, or Apple account, or Telegram account, and fill form and click next. Next. After we came Binance Global. So what is next step? In next step, you should complete your KYC identity approval. With your phone, mobile phone, 5 minutes you can complete this. After your account ready, you need deposit money. For in Europa, it's about regulation. Some countries you can use USDT, Tether, or some countries USDC. After regulation, Europa and many countries using USDC. Now I want to show you firstly how to buy USDC. But there is so simple buying method. I want to show you. You should click buy crypto. Yes. On this page, click here. If you have euro, for example, click here and write SXT. Yeah, now new listing. Because of this we cannot see here. Now I want to show you how to buy USDC and clicked. So for example, we have 400 euro or 500 euro. With 500 euro, we will buy this USDC. Click and buy. So easy. So next step, click market. Now we have USDC for buying SXT Space and Time token. This is market. You see many category here. İşte new listed zaten on already. SXT we clicked. This is SXT USDT page. We need USDC. Click USDC and click SXT. Now we came SXT token USDC page. It's so easy. Firstly, came here. We have, for example, 500 euro and 568 USDC. This is red color numbers, current price. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers. So for fast way, easy way for buy SXT with USDC, click top side or first side after current price, this. And this current price came here so easy. After, now I'm not in my account. Here you clicked and write 568 USDC and click buy. So easy. For selling, for example, we have 1000 SXT Space and Time. Click sell. So easy. Buying and selling. Yes. If you need more information about Binance or altcoins or Bitcoin, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Emre Ata.